what is really going on? I'm going to be putting some picture, then we'll talk about it on the comment section. Can this king, can they be dethroned? I want to know. It's like I'm confused here. I'm confused. Good day to you wherever you may be. Yes, so this blessing, I'm representing the first square family. Yes, so I'm here wherever you may be. You are just passing, you are wondering what is going on. Yes, this is our channel. Yes, so just click on that button that says subscribe. So you are subscribed to us. As you subscribe, the bell will pump up. You need to click on it so that you get notified. You will be the first to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on that bell for us. Oh, I go straight to the point where I'm here today. Actually, there's this news going around, it's going viral and just everywhere. I was wondering what is really happening. With my best of knowledge, I know this person. I've not met him in person, but I've been hearing about him for many years now. For so many years, how he became the governor of Central Bank. Then when I was in Nigeria, is well known. I know what I'm talking about. So I'm asking a question. Is it that I don't know what is going on, or is it that I'm not educated to that extent? I want you guys to let me know. Let me know what is really happening. Can those kings that you saw, can they be dethroned? Or is it because I don't understand? We were talking about tribalism the other day. Is it because we have different tribes? I don't get it. What really happened? I don't know what happened. Actually, I'll be trying to do my research to really know what made them to dethrone him. I have not seen. So I want to know if you guys have seen it anywhere. Please let me know. Though I know I cannot do anything about it, that is life for you. But for those that are coming up, so that they will know what life is all about. They will know that even if you are there, anything can happen. Do you understand? So let me know in the comment section. Let's continue this gist today, because I don't get it. Emir of Kano dethroned. When I saw it, I was like, no, let me see for myself. But when I opened it, I didn't really get what is going on. Why was he dethroned? He keep person. I don't understand. Please, guys, in case you've known or you've seen it somewhere, please comment below. Let's talk more about it. We'll continue the gist there. Yes, I want to throw more light on what I know concerning all these things, as in what I read, what I saw on YouTube, on social media, that he has been dethroned. Some were saying because he said the country, Nigeria, is going to turn to Islamic, it's going to turn to Christian. I don't even know. That's why I say, let me not say what I don't know. Please, guys, if you know anything, let me know. Yes, I know this particular person is a Muslim. Yes, that was dethroned. I know he's a Muslim. I'm going to be putting some of his pictures. Actually, I was supposed to put the clip, but I was not able to do that. Yes, so I'm going to be putting the picture so that you will see the man I'm talking about. He's a very vibrant person. Yes, he's not dull. He's educated. He has life in him. It's not that he's lazy. That we say, okay, he was there, he wasn't doing anything. He's a very vibrant person. He's educated to an extent. Yes, he's educated. I remember when I served in the north. Yes, I happened to serve in the north in Niger State in the year 2003. Yes, I remember where I served. Then I still remember my experience then in Niger State. 2003 or 2004. I still remember then. So when I saw him, I knew he was different from every other person. Yes. Then I was doing my primary assignment in a secondary school. On Thursdays, we will go for CD, that is community development, for those of us that served our father's land. So I remember we will go to a secretariat. Then when you get there, you are supposed to sign. You will see them. This place that we go to do our CD is supposed to be in a local government. And then yes, here you see big men, old enough to be my father, old enough to be my grandfather, big. You need to see the way they will call me. But the truth is this, what I understand there is that they cannot read. That is why I'm wondering, this particular person that has been dethroned, he's educated. I'm just saying my own point of view concerning this issue. Some of them, they can't read. They will even ask me to come and read for them. And you trust now. Nothing goes for nothing. You will give me money. They will say, don't worry, I will write check. The check, they can't even write it. They can't write it. They are only just to sign. Their signature self, some of our boys, they will tell you, I will sign for him. Can you imagine? So since someone that is educated among them, since someone that is ready to, I don't get it. That is why I said, if you have any idea, let me know what is happening. What offense has he committed in our country? So who is responsible? Because the truth is this. Are you trying to tell me now that the king of Benin, Oba of Benin, for example, I will use that as an example because that is where I come from. I'm from Edo State. Can he be dethroned? What is going on? Is it because of the tribe? Oh my word. Please guys, let's continue this gist. Because when I saw it, I was like, what is happening? So anybody can be dethroned. Is that what they are trying to tell us in Edo State? Or in the country Nigeria? Anybody can be dethroned? Because if we keep quiet, now I know those of us that are content creators, some of us we might like, it's none of my business. If you decide to keep calm, just let everything be. They can do it to anybody. That's just the truth. If we decide to say, oh, let us keep quiet, none of our business, we are not saying it is affecting us in one way or the other. They can do it to anybody. Because they have upper hand, because the person in charge of this, the person that must have done this before I will bite my tongue, I'm sure the person is among the cabas. That is what they call them in Nigeria. They will say cabas. It's true now, because I don't know what is going on. I remember when he was, when he was put into a throne. That should be 2015. It went viral also. Even before that, I used to know him as the president of Central Bank. So I don't know what is happening. No, things are really happening in Nigeria. Things are really happening. If we begin to talk, this video will be too long. But that is just what I noticed, and I said let me share it to my whitey friends and family. Guys, if you know about this thing that is going viral now, please let me know. I want to know. I want to be carried along. I don't want to be lost anymore. I know I'm not in Nigeria, but I want to know what is going on. Should all this continue? Because we can't talk, because we don't have voice, because so anybody can just come to my house. Yes. My family is still there. They can just come there and say, okay, leave this house. They will just, okay, go away. So I think we need to speak up. Let us say it the way it is. That's the way I say. I know we need to use wisdom, but I know by the time they hear cry from here, hear cry from here, if it happen to anybody, let us be consigned. Hear cry from here, they will know that we don't have power, but we know God is the one that can fight for us. But they should know that we know what is going on. We know what is going on. That is just the truth. There are still some people out there, they think they have more power than others. So because of that, they are above the law. They are above the law. You cannot hold them responsible. Just like what happened last year concerning Showore. He was arrested. If not for the intervention, everybody here, this will talk, this will talk, this will talk. The president of USA got to know, assuming there was no social media. You can imagine that is how they will sweep it under the carpet. That is what has been happening. That is what has been happening. So when I saw that, I was like, what is really going on? So meaning anybody can be dethroned. So guys, I want to hear you. Comment below. Is it possible? Look, I don't really understand what is happening. Is it because we have other people that have power up there? So they will just come and just say, for example, this king, I dethrone you, this king. Because with what I was able to gather, though the person that dethroned him was the governor of Kano State. He is in Kano. Was the governor of Kano State. So guys, oh my word, things are really happening. Things are happening out there. So can you imagine? So governor of Edo State or governor of Lagos State will just come and say, okay, king of Lagos State, king of Edo State, I dethrone you. I don't get it. Because when I saw it, I said, is it that the governor of a state have more power than the king? I used to think, I don't know. That's why I said we should let me know. I want to know. I'm here to learn. We are here to learn from each other. That's why we are here. Is it that those kings, they don't have say? The governor of a state have power than the king? I want to know. Please guys, don't mind me.